Hi, I'm Andre Byik, and I cover public safety for the Enterprise Record in Chico. This year in Butte County, there were 3 deadly police shootings, 2 in Chico, the shooting of Desmond Phillips and the shooting of Tyler Rushing. And a 3rd shooting happened in Durham. Butte County deputy shot and killed Mark Jensen. In each case, Butte County's district attorney, Mike Ramsey, found each shooting justified, and so no criminal liability was found on the part of the officers involved in each shooting, and in the case of Tyler Rushing, there was no criminal liability found in the case of a private security guard who also shot Rushing. Despite the ruling by the district attorney, the families of Desmond Phillips and Tyler Rushing have questioned whether the use of deadly force was necessary in each of those cases. In the case of Desmond Phillips, he was shot in his father's apartment by 2 Chico police officers. Desmond's father has called for criminal charges against the officers, while at the same time pursuing civil legal action against the city. Desmond's father, David Phillips, has since questioned the amount of training Chico police officers undergo to deal with mental health crisis issues. Desmond, at the time he was shot, was apparently going through a mental health crisis, and Desmond's father has also questioned whether race may have played a role in his son's shooting. In the case of Tyler Rushing, a private security guard was responding to an alarm at a downtown business in Chico where he encountered Rushing. There was an altercation between Rushing and the guard, where Rushing apparently stabbed the guard in the arm before the guard shot Rushing once in the chest and wounded him. Rushing ended up holed up in a bathroom inside the downtown business where Chico police tried to get him out by asking him multiple times before ultimately storming the bathroom. There was a struggle inside the bathroom where 2 officers were stabbed before one officer fired 2 shots at Rushing. The family of Tyler Rushing also questions whether the use of deadly force was necessary in this case. They bring up the fact that this was late at night, business was closed, and they wondered why they couldn't just let Tyler Rushing bleed out in the bathroom from his initial wound by the security guard. In the case of Mark Jensen, Butte County deputies were in a standoff with him at his home in Durham. Eventually, police say Jensen walked out of his home holding a firearm and pointed the gun at a deputy before a deputy shot and killed him. Since the shootings in Chico of Desmond Phillips and Tyler Rushing, Chico police have undergone additional crisis intervention training. In Desmond's case, the State Attorney General's office is reviewing evidence related to the shooting. And in Tyler Rushing's case, Tyler's family says they are pursuing their own investigation into what happened. In an unrelated incident, the officer who shot Tyler Rushing has recently been charged with misdemeanor assault for allegedly choking a person who was under arrest in the back of a squad car. We'll continue following developments in each shooting and any possible civil cases that are filed against the City of Chico or the County of Butte.